Hey Maria, how's it going? This is Holden. I said I would shoot you this video, and in this video I just want to show you 3 things that you can do to really increase the traffic to your business, get some more customers in the door, and beat out your competition online. You know, everybody's searching for what they want in Google these days, right? And if you can't get found in the search results, then you're just missing out on a lot of customers that are potentially looking for you. And a lot of times the only hesitation I see that business owners have to hiring someone for this sort of thing is they just don't know who the experts are and who they're not. So I've found by giving out this free plan of attack, these 3 things that you can do and implement yourself, has really resulted in a lot of business owners just coming back to me and saying, hey Holden, I could really use your help. So if by the end of this video you feel like I've got some value and you want to chat, we can definitely do that. Shoot me a message, we'll talk. If not, that's totally fine. Just please take these 3 things. They're for you. They'll help you out and get you some more customers in the door, all right? So let's jump right in. I got your website up right here. Looks good. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing that Google looks at is content. They like to see about 1,500 words of content alone on your homepage just to be optimized, right? I have this tool up here called SEO Quake. It's a free tool you can get yourself, and it just pulls some metrics from your page. But the important thing I want to show you is this. You have 267 words of content on your homepage. So that falls short significantly of that 1,500 that Google really likes for optimization, right? So you can add that up there. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is something called keywords. Keywords are basically whatever people are searching for in the search bar to find you up there, right? Roofing or spray foam insulation, retro foam, whatever your services are, Google likes to match what people are searching for with the most relevant content out there. And if that's not on your homepage, then they're just going to skip you and go to the next guy, right? So with that being said, the next thing I want to show you is this right here. This is called the local map pack. This is how you get found locally in your area for when people search things like roofing near me or spray foam near me, Salati, or I'm sorry, I can't pronounce your town name, but basically in your area, whenever people are searching for you, this thing generates, right? And the way you get into this map pack is basically by getting your name, address, and phone number out there as many times as possible into as many directories as possible. That's things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, right? And if your competition has 50 of these directories, make sure you're getting 150. That way you can stay up at the top and you don't have to worry about getting bumped off the bottom. And that way you don't have to drive too far to do these services, right? You can stay in your local area. Down here, this is called the organic area. This is where most of the traffic goes. About 60% of people that search something in this bar will click on just these top 3, right? Nobody's going down to these ads or to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th page of Google, right? That stuff might as well be on the moon. The way you get into this up here is by looking at Google itself by like a popularity contest. There's all these things all over the web called backlinks going from one website to another. The more of these backlinks or popularity votes that you have linking to your website, the more relevant your content seems to Google. They start boosting you up in the search results and you get up here on the first page, right? Not all backlinks are created equal, however. You cannot go get backlinks from a website that's irrelevant to your industry. They have to be very similar, otherwise Google will recognize there's no correlation between the two and they'll deduct you points and boost you down the list. Now this over here is one of the last things I want to show you. This is a tool I pay about $1,000 a month for. It's not perfect, but it buys data directly from Google, and it's probably the most accurate tool that we have into looking at what's going on with someone's website. But right now it shows me you have 0 people finding your website a month organically through search results. Additionally, you have only 3 keywords on your website that people are searching for to find you, and that you have none of those backlinks linking back to your website giving you that popularity vote, right? Now this guy over here, he is your top competitor out there, and I can show you what his refs rankings are. This guy gets found 862 times a month through search results organically. He has 1,200 keywords that people are searching for, and 173 of those domains linking or websites linking back to his website 2,000 times. So you can see why just adding in those keywords and those backlinks, this is so relevant because it brings in so much more traffic, right? So just to reiterate, the 3 things I want you to take a look at are content, 1,500 words at least on your homepage, and adding in those keywords that people are searching for. Additionally, if you want to get found in this local map pack and get local traffic right, you got to get your name, address, and phone number out there in as many directories as possible, things like Yellow Pages. And finally, for this organic area, what you want to do is make sure that you're getting those backlinks, those quality links from other websites, and making sure they're relevant to your industry, right? And that way you can start collecting some of this traffic that this guy's got over here. Hey, I hope this was helpful, and like I said, if you want to chat some more, shoot me a message. We'll definitely talk. If not, that's fine. I just asked, could you please send me an email back and let me know what you thought of the video? I'd really appreciate it. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day.